Use of cutting-edge technology in the court. The DeSoto Municipal Court is literally at the forefront in utilizing cutting-edge technology to provide excellent customer service to defendants who, unfortunately, find themselves in our court. More specifically, the defendants with cases in the DeSoto Municipal Court now have a wide array of payment options that minimize the time and effort defendants need to expend to make payment on their case. That includes the following. GovPayNet permits family members and friends of defendants in jail to pay the fines and costs of the defendant via credit or debit card without having to travel to the jail where the defendant is actually incarcerated. GovPayNet significantly broadens the pool of those who can help free the defendant because payments can be made from out of state through the use of a credit or debit card 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. Payments can still be made in person at the court at 211 East Pleasant Run Road, DeSoto, Texas 75115 between the hours of 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. For those defendants needing to talk with the judge about extending or modifying payment plans, they can reach the judge via video conference every day beginning at 11 a.m. Simply go to the City of DeSoto website and click on the Municipal Court and then click Video Conference the Judge. Defendants will need to use their internet browser on their cellular phones to click on the link and type in the meeting ID number provided to be connected with the judge. For those who are unable to reach the judge during the 11 a.m. video conference time, they can still video conference the judge by calling the court at 972-230-9674 and requesting through the clerk a video conference with Judge Kurth, who will be happy to meet with the defendant if and when he is available. Customer friendly. The DeSoto Municipal Court is using a customer-friendly approach combined with technology to provide defendants with a fast and friendly way to resolve their cases. Defendants can come to the court at their convenience, Monday through Friday beginning at 10:30 a.m. to meet with Judge Kurth in person to enter a plea and resolve their cases with a payment plan. Defendants are no longer forced to miss work to come to court and resolve a traffic offense. Those defendants who want to plead no contest or guilty can simply video conference the judge beginning at 11 a.m. on Monday through Friday. Simply go to the City of DeSoto website and click on Video Conference the Judge and follow the instructions. All the court documents, like judgments and payment plans resulting from the video conference, will be emailed to defendants by the clerks within a few hours. Defendants are able to easily sign the documents either on their cell phone screen or their computer screen in a digital format and email them back to the court. Text and email messages. The court is now sending text messages to defendants via their cell phones to remind them of important action needed to be taken on their respective cases, like upcoming payments, upcoming court dates, and to advise them that warrants have been issued or are about to be issued for their arrest. The foregoing is simply a recognition of the mobile nature of our society. Instead of sending out traditional letters that may or may not reach defendants, the court is relying on the cellular and email information provided by defendants to the court. This has proven to be a more reliable and more affordable method of communication with defendants about their cases and their responsibilities in connection with those cases. Video magistrate hearings. Texas law provides that before a person who has been arrested may be released from jail, that person must be seen by the magistrate and given various legal rights and warnings. Traditionally, magistrates would come to the jail once per day to conduct magistrate hearings. Thus, if a defendant is arrested after the magistrate left the jail for that day, the defendant would generally have to wait another 24 hours until the magistrate returned on the next day. This resulted in a significantly large jail population with its attendant costs and inconvenience for jailers, police, and of course the defendants. In order to remove this unnecessary obstacle to defendants being able to bond out quickly from the jail, the presiding judge has been conducting magistrate hearings at least 3 times a day in the City of DeSoto. 2 of those hearings are done via video conferencing, which has significantly reduced the wait time for defendants to post bond to get out of jail or to be transferred out of DeSoto to the Dallas County Jail. Arrest warrants executed via video conferencing. The presiding judge regularly uses video conferencing to speed the issuance of arrest warrants. Instead of police officers or the judge having to travel to meet each other, the judge is available 24/7 via video conference to accommodate the needs of the police departments for the issuance of warrants. Professional court staff. The DeSoto Municipal Court is staffed with a group of dedicated professionals who exhibit the highest standards in customer service, knowledge of the law, and its proper application, and the requisite training and certification to maintain the high level of error-free performance that is expected in a successful court operation. The staff consists of the following: the presiding judge, who also serves as the managing director of the Court Services Department, the court manager, Jeremy Leonard, who is responsible for the day-to-day court operations and using technology to streamline as many of the court processes and procedures to reduce cost and increase efficiency and accuracy for the citizens served by the DeSoto Municipal Court. The court supervisor, Taisha Wells, who is responsible for the day-to-day supervision of the court operations and customer service at the court windows at the municipal court offices at 211 East Pleasant Run Road, DeSoto, Texas. The juvenile case manager, Kimberly Walker, who is primarily tasked with the responsibility to manage all of the juvenile case files in the DeSoto Municipal Court from the date of filing to the date of disposition by the presiding judge. The DeSoto Marshal's Office is staffed by two marshals, Eric Brown and Anthony Hall, who are tasked with court security and warrant and process service. The marshals also use cutting-edge license plate reader technology to monitor traffic and invite defendants that they have stopped who have outstanding warrants to come immediately to the DeSoto Municipal Court and avoid jail by meeting with the presiding judge and make arrangements on their cases. The DeSoto Municipal Court also offers bilingual services to those defendants who cannot speak English. El juez de esta corte puede hablar en español con los demandantes que no hablan inglés.